This week I am testing the very beautiful luxury electric Lexus RZ. This is a 5-seater SUV. Let's find out how good it is as a baby drive, and don't forget to like and subscribe and follow us on our socials. And if you stick around to the end, you'll find out what our top family friendly features are. The child seat section of this review is brought to you by Infasecure. In the back of the Lexus RZ there are ISOFIX in the two outer seats. They're not within plastic guides, but they're lovely and easy to connect to. And there are top tether anchorages on the back of all three seat backs, so they're easy to connect to through the boot. Now I could fit 3 Infasecure child seats really lovely and easily across these rear seats. I have got the Adapt More infant capsule, the Momentum More and the Achieve More forward facing. Now legroom is really good in here, and we could easily fit the 186cm driver in front of the rear-facing Infasecure Adapt More infant capsule. To learn more about the child seats used in this video, just click on the link here. Storage in the back of the Lexus RZ is really good. There's a fold down in the central seat back with 2 cup holders. They'll hold a reusable or a disposable coffee cup, and there are map pockets on the back of both front seats that will hold and conceal an iPad. The door bins are a good size in the back here. They'll hold a refillable water bottle, and there's storage handle wells too. There are aircon vents in the back of the central console box in the RZ, which are fantastic for keeping little passengers at the right temperature while you're driving along. Storage in the front of the Lexus RZ is good too. There are 2 cup holders in the central console. They'll hold a reusable or a disposable coffee cup, and in front of them is a wireless phone charging pad. Behind them is a good size central console box, and you can open the lid from either side, so that's great for both front passengers. It's a central console bridge, so there's also storage underneath the central console. That's good for putting a phone, or an iPad will fit there, and there's a 12-volt charging socket there too. There's also 3 USB ports where the wireless phone charging pad is as well. Now there's no glove box in the RZ, but there is a glasses case in the ceiling. And the door bins are a great size in the front here. They'll hold a refillable water bottle, and there's room for an iPad too, and there's little storage handle wells in the doors. There are also 2 USB ports in the back of the central console box and a 12-volt socket, along with heated seat controls. The media system in the Lexus RZ has wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, which is fantastic, so you can access your phone and your apps while you're driving along. Now in here you've got sat-nav built in and your phone, and you can see a lot of things about the car as well, and because it's an EV you can schedule your charging and things like that in here too, and optimize your battery usage. Now within the settings here you can change a lot of things like the sound, things like that in here too, which is great. Now your climate controls are along the bottom of the screen here, and heated seats and steering wheel, things like that. They're really lovely and easy to use and to navigate. Now when I put it into reverse, the camera images are lovely and clear, really nice and simple and easy to use, and you can turn the parking sensors off with a button down in the bottom left of the screen. The boot door of the RZ opens electronically and with a beep. Now the parcel shelf here is held onto the boot lid, which is fantastic. It goes up automatically when the boot opens, so it doesn't get in your way. There's also great storage underneath the boot floor. You can put the charging cables underneath there and things like that, but it's also good for beachwear and things like that. Let's find out how much we can fit in the boot. Empty will hold 13 shopping bags, or a twin pram and 5 shopping bags, or a single pram and 7 shopping bags, a compact stroller and 10 shopping bags, or a medium-sized dog. Our friends at Infogroup have also provided us with the new Jiffle Wagon, which is a versatile 6-in-1 stroller. Let's also see how well it fits in various configurations. The Jiffle Wagon cart fits with 6 shopping bags. The Jiffle Wagon bassinet fits with no shopping bags, but you can load up to 60 kilos of groceries or baby stuff inside the Jiffle Wagon. The Jiffle Wagon with its seat fits with 4 shopping bags, or the Jiffle Wagon with its seat in quick fold mode also fits with 4 shopping bags. Thanks again to Info Group for letting us test their new Jiffle Wagon. The Lexus RZ is a lovely, smooth and quiet car to drive. It starts off silently and continues that way for the whole journey. Now, there are some beeps for driver attention and things like that, which you can expect. Visibility is really good in here. With 3 child seats installed in the back, I can see out of that back windscreen, which is fantastic. Now, if that's not enough for you, there is a camera that you can put on for rear view or front view while you're driving along, which is fantastic. The turning circle is lovely and tight in here, and the steering is really lovely and light too. So parking, school, supermarket, car parks, things like that are a breeze, and around town it's a real pleasure to drive too. Well, as I'm sure you'll agree, the Lexus RZ makes a very luxurious electric family 5-seater SUV. Let's find out my top family-friendly features. Number 1 is 3 Infasecure child seats fit really nice and comfortably across the rear seats of the Lexus RZ. And the legroom is great. We can fit a 186cm driver in front of the rear-facing Infasecure Adapt More infant capsule. Number 2 is there are rear air vents in the Lexus RZ, so you can keep little passengers in the back nice and cool while you're driving along. Number 3 is the drive. The Lexus RZ is a really lovely, smooth and quiet car to drive. It's a real pleasure. Number 4 is the boot of the Lexus RZ. The parcel shelf here is attached to the boot lid, so it goes up automatically, making loading and unloading the boot really nice and easy. There's great storage underneath the boot floor, and the Jiffle Wagon here fits really nice and easily in the boot. Number 5 is the media system in the Lexus RZ. It has built-in Apple CarPlay and Android Auto wireless, and it's really lovely and easy to navigate and to use on this enormous screen here. The cameras are really nice and clear and large, and you can turn the parking sensors off with a button down the bottom left of the screen here. You've also got a camera you can turn on at any time through the button on the media screen, and it's a lovely 360-degree camera. So to sum up with the Lexus RZ, it does make a fantastic family EV. You can fit those 3 Infasecure child seats really nicely across the back row, with fantastic legroom for the driver and front passenger. The boot space is really good in here. You can easily fit the Jiffle Wagon or a really good amount of family shopping. The drive is lovely and quiet and smooth, and the media system is great. You've got Apple CarPlay in there, and the cameras are fantastic.